Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So to get started we will need a SIM ejector. I have one right here. It comes provided in the box with the device. You can get it from there. And all you need to do from there is pop out the tray, which is located at the side of the device, so bottom left side. And from here push it in. You'll see that the tray pops out. And in here we have space for single SIM card, so let's place it like so. Make sure that it's laying flush on the tray, and from there simply insert it back into the device. And SIM is locked, so I'm going to put in a pin for it, and there we go. So obviously, based on the pin, the SIM card is working, and that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.